Don't skip this video.
You understand English, but you can't speak?
You know words. You understand videos.
But when you try to speak, your mind goes blank.
You feel nervous. You stop.
And you think, why can't I speak?
Listen carefully.
The problem is not your English.
Yes, it's something else.
And today, we will fix it.
Hey,
Hey, you look a little stressed. What happened?
I don't know. I feel stuck with my English.
Stuck? How?
I understand English, but I can't speak properly.
That's a very common problem.
Really?
Yes. Many learners face this.
But I don't understand why.
Let's find out step by step. When you listen to English, do you understand?
Yes, most of the time.
When you read English, do you understand?
Yes.
But when you speak,
I stop. I feel blank.
that means your problem is not knowledge.
Then what is it?
Your problem is practice.
Practice.
Yes, you understand English, but you don't use it enough.
That's true.
Speaking is like a muscle.
Muscle.
Yes, the more you use it, the stronger it becomes.
And if I don't use it?
It becomes weak.
That makes sense.
Let me ask you, how often do you speak English?
Honestly, not much.
That's the real problem. You're learning passively.
Passively?
Yes, listening and reading only.
And not speaking.
Exactly.
So I need active practice.
Yes.
But I feel shy.
That's the second problem. Fear. Yes, fear of mistakes. I think people will laugh at me. Let me tell you something important. Okay? People are not watching you that much. Really? Yes, they are busy thinking about themselves. And even if you make mistakes, it's okay. That's hard to accept, but it's true. So, mistakes are okay? Yes, mistakes are part of learning. If you don't make mistakes, you don't learn. That changes my thinking. Good. Sometimes I don't know what to say. That's the third problem. What is it? You are translating in your mind. Yes, exactly. That makes you slow. Very slow. Try to think in English. How can I do that? Start with small thoughts. Like, I am walking. I am eating. I am sitting. That's easy. Yes, don't try big sentences. I always try big sentences.
That creates pressure.
Yes, I feel stressed.
Keep it simple.
Okay.
Now listen carefully. The problem is not your English.
Then,
The problem is your habit.
habit?
Yes, You are not used to speaking.
That's true.
So build a new habit.
How?
Speak every day.
Even for a short time?
Yes, even 10 minutes.
That sounds easy.
Easy habits create big change.
I like that.
Let's make a simple daily plan.
Okay.
Listen for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Speak for 10 minutes.
Even alone?
Yes. Read for 5 minutes. Write 3 sentences.
That's simple.
Yes, simple is powerful.
I feel motivated now.
That's great.
Before this, I felt stuck.
And now?
Now I feel clear.
That's progress.
I will start today.
Not tomorrow, today.
Yes.
Good.
Thank you.
Always welcome.
I will speak more.
Don't fear mistakes.
Practice daily.
Confidence grows.
Life changes.
Beautiful.
Good night.
Good night.